If you think Bitcoin is making everyone rich in America, think again. Because right now, millions of Americans are secretly using Bitcoin for one reason nobody want to admit, not because they love crypto, not because they understand blockchain, but because normal life in America is becoming too expensive to survive. Rent is rising, groceries are rising, debt is crushing people. And now millions of young Americans believe Bitcoin might be their last chance to escape financial pressure. But here's the scary part. Some people become millionaires from Bitcoin while others lose their life saving chasing the same dream. So what is the really happening in America right now? Is Bitcoin creating freedom or destroying financial stability? And most importantly, if this trend continues, what will happen to the future of the America middle class? In this video, I am going to show you the real truth about Bitcoin in America. Why so many Americans are raising everything toward crypto? How social media is influencing the financial modernness? And whether Bitcoin is actually helping people or quietly running life behind the scenes. And trust me, the final part of this video might completely change the way you look at money forever.
This new digital currency called
A few years ago, most Americans treated Bitcoin like a joke. People thought it was fake internet money, banks laughed at it. Financial experts warned people to stay away from it. Parents told their kids not to waste money on crypto. But today, everything has changed. Celebrities talk about it. Influencers promote it. Companies invest in it. Even Wall Street and major financial institutions are entering the crypto market. And suddenly, millions of normal Americans are asking themselves one question: did I miss the opportunity of my lifetime? That fear is growing fast in America because people are constantly seeing stories online, but ordinary individual training small investment into massive wealth. A college student buy Bitcoin early, and because a millionaire, a delivery driver make more money from crypto than from his job. A tanker invests a few $1,000s and suddenly buy a luxury car. This story spread everywhere on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. And when struggling Americans see these stories, while dealing with bill, debit, and inflations, money, all of them start feeling desperate. Right now, millions of Americans are financially stressed. The cost of living in the United States has become extremely expensive. Housing prices are high, rent is painful, student loans are crushing young people, credit card debt is exploding, and many Americans feel like traditional jobs are no longer enough to build a stable future. This is one of the biggest reasons Bitcoin become too so attractive. People are no longer only investing for fun. Some people are investing because they genuinely feel trapped financially, and that changes everything. Because when people invest out of desperation instead of a strategy, emotions are take control, fear take control, greed take control, and social media make the situations even more dangerous. Every single day, Americans open their phone and see influencers saying things like Bitcoin is going to $1 million. This is air last chance. Only smart people are buying crypto right now. If you don't buy now, you will regret it forever. And after hearing this consistently, many people being making emotional financial decisions. Some Americans start putting huge amount of money into Bitcoin without understanding the risks. Some even borrowed money to invest in crypto. Other use saving that were meant for emergencies or retirement. And yes, some people become rich, very rich. There are Americans today who completely changed their lives because of Bitcoin. Some bought Bitcoin year ago when it was cheap and held it for a long time. Those people saw life changing again. Some paid over debit. Some bought homes. Some retired early. And because of this success story, Bitcoin became something bigger than just an investment. For many Americans, Bitcoin became a symbol of hope. Hope that maybe the system is changing. Hope that maybe normal people can finally win financially. Hope that maybe there is another path outside the traditional banking system. But this is where the story become darker because for every success story there are many painful stories people never talk about publicly. When Bitcoin crashes, people panic, and crypto crashes can be brutal.
Sell everything now.
Prices can fall fast, very fast. In previous market crashes, billions of dollars disappeared in a short period of time. Many Americans watched their investment collapse. Some lost years of saving, some entered depression, some felt implicit because the convinced friend or family member to invest too. And this emotional roller coaster is one of the biggest hidden problem in crypto culture. Because social media usually only show the winners, people post screenshots of profit, luxury lifestyle, expensive watches, sport cars, hung gains. But very few people post that nights they could not sleep after losing money. Very few people post their anxiety, fear, or regret, and because of that, million of viewers only see one side of reality. Now, let me talk about young Americans, specifically because younger generations are becoming deeply connected to crypto culture. Many young Americans feel disconnected from the traditional American dream. Previous generation believed that if you worked hard, you could buy a house, support a family, and build a stable life. But today, many young people feel like that dream is slipping away. A lot of Gen Z and millennials feel financially stuck, and educated people with good jobs sometimes struggle to afford homes or saving. And because of this frustration, many young Americans are looking for faster ways to build wealth. That's why Bitcoin feels so powerful emotionally. It feels rebellious, it feels modern, it feels like a chance to escape the system. And honestly, this is why Bitcoin become more than money. For many Americans, it become an identity. Some people now trust Bitcoin more than banks, and some trust crypto influencers more than financial advisors. And some Americans generally believe digital currency will replace traditional money in the future. Now, whether that happens or not, nobody knows for sure. But one thing is absolutely clear. Bitcoin has already changed the financial mindset of American forever. And here the something very important people don't discuss enough. Bitcoin is creating a new king of financial psychology in America. In the past, many Americans focus on long-time financial stability, saving money slowly, building retirement account, buying home carefully, investing steadily over decades. But now social media culture has accelerated everything. People want fast result, fast wealth, fast success, and Bitcoin fits perfectly into that emotion environment. This creates a dangerous cycle. When Bitcoin rises, spreads everywhere, more people rush in. Social media becomes louder. Everyone talk about Bitcoin rich. Then when prices is crash, fear spreads. People panic sale. News channel called crypto a disaster, and millions of emotional investors suffer financially. This emotion cycle keep reporting, and honestly, many Americans are exhausted. Some people now feel addicted to checking crypto prices every hour. Some people feel constant anxiety. Some cannot focus at work because they are emotionally attached to market movement. And this is why financial education matter more than ever forever. Because Bitcoin itself is not automatically good or evil. The real danger is emotional investing without knowledge. There are intelligent investors who approach Bitcoin carefully and responsibly. They study the market, they manage risks, they never invest money they cannot afford to lose, and they understand volatility before entering crypto. But there are also people crashing unrealistic dreams because social media convinced them that getting rich quickly is easy. And unfortunately, that mindset destroys people financially. Now, let us the biggest question of the entire video. Is the Bitcoin actually helping Americans or hurting them? The honest answer is both. For some American, Bitcoin created an opportunity and introduced them to investing. It helped them learn about finance. It gave them financial confidence. And in some cases, it truly changes live positively. But for other, Bitcoin become a dangerous emotional escape from a real financial problem. Instead of building stable income, improving skill, reducing debt, or planning carefully, some people become obsessed with the chasing unrealistic profit. And that obsession can become financially destructive because real wealth usually take time, discipline, patience, education, consistency. But modern internet culture teach people the opposite. It teaches people to chase shortcuts, and that mindset is becoming extremely common in America today. Now, think about this carefully. If millions of people feel so financially desperate that they are willing to risk everything on volatility asset, what does that say about the current economy? That is the deeper story behind Bitcoin in America. Bitcoin is not only financial trend, it is also a reflection of growing income tradition. People want hope, people want freedom, people want to people want control over their future, and many Americans feel like traditional system are no longer giving them that security. That's why this topic matters so much, because whether you love Bitcoin or hate it, crypto is exposing something very real about modern American life. Now has many personal opinion. I believe Bitcoin can be useful if people approached it responsibly. But I also believe nobody should gamble their future because of internet hype. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Never trust influencers blindly, and never confuse luck with the financial intelligence. Because sometimes the people screaming the loads that only are making money from view and sponsorship, not from actual investing success. Always remember that the smartest investors are usually calm, patient, and disciplined. They don't panic emotionally every day. They don't chase unrealistic promises. And they understand one important truth. Financial freedom is built slowly for more often than instantly. And honestly, I think that's the biggest lesson Americans need right now. Not just about Bitcoin, but about money itself. Because real wealth is not only about becoming rich, real wealth is about stability, peace of mind, freedom from stress, freedom from cons- constant fear, and the ability to live life without financial panic controlling every decisions. So before following trend blindly, ask yourself one simple question. Am I investing with knowledge or am I investing with desperation? That single question could protect your future. And now I want to hear from you. Do you think Bitcoin is helping American become financially free? Or do you think it's creating a dangerous financial illusion? Comment your opinion below because I genuinely want to know what you think. And if you enjoy this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this with someone who need to hear the real truth about money today. This is Arsam Explains Money and I will see you in the next video.